Brookes has excellent facilities. We have a brand new facility, technology facility that's actually for the building environment courses, so construction and real estate courses, and my courses are construction courses. The technology lab is an essential part for us. So we have in there the ability to play with the materials. So they'll be doing some concreting, they'll do some timber, brickwork, etc. We know they're not going to be doing the trades, but they need to understand because they're managing tradespeople. So we get them involved in that. It's usually quite happy, they enjoy that, they're getting stuck into that sort of thing. But also within that lab, there's an opportunity to do some testing, materials testing. They do a little bit of structural engineering. They need to understand, they're not going to be structural engineers, but they need to understand how structures stand up. So there's modelling to be done in that lab. So we get them doing a little modelling, etc., and testing things to destruction, obviously very popular as well for students. Also within there, we have our land surveying equipment. So the laboratory, they do a lot of, they do setting out of buildings using theodolites and site levels, etc. They have practical sessions in there, but they also go out into the field. So we get them going around the Brookes, setting out buildings, etc. So that's sort of practical element again that we use the laboratory for. So there's a technology laboratory which can also be used as well for the final year projects. If they want to do some research in materials, that facility is fantastic. And within that facility, there's also a 3D printer, and we have a 3D scanner as well. So in fact, they can do some high technology stuff in there as well if they wish to. The other principal facility are the computing facilities that are required, because software is obviously very big in the industry in terms of modelling our buildings, etc. So we have our own, we call it BIM Lab. It's a building information laboratory, which is basically got the standard suite of computers, but on that computers there's some very sophisticated software which allows people to do modelling, not just the 3 dimensions of a building. We've all seen the 3-dimensional drawings and people walking through buildings, but to apply to those models, we can apply cost and time, which is very vital in terms of the construction industry. We're all driven by can we get the building done on time and in cost. So being able to model the cost as well is an important thing. And this is a huge development in the industry at the moment. So we have a lot of building information software in there, as well as general project planning software, etc. So, and I said within there also there's the 3D plotter and the 3D scanner as well.